Hello, friends! Today, we are going to learn all about adding with the number 2. Addition means we put numbers together to find out how many we have in all. So, let's start with the number 2 and see what happens when we add it to other numbers. Are you ready to count and have some fun? Let's go! 0 plus 2 equals 2. That means we start with nothing, then add 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. We add 1 more to 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's a double. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Count with me. 2 plus 4 equals 6. We're getting higher. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Great job. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Let's keep going. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Nice and steady. 2 plus 8 equals 10. We made it to 10. 2 plus 9 equals 11. You're doing amazing. 2 plus 10 equals 12. Double digits. 2 plus 11 equals 13. Let's keep counting. 2 plus 12 equals 14. Wow! 2 plus 13 equals 15. You're doing great. 2 plus 14 equals 16. Keep it up. 2 plus 15 equals 17. Almost there. 2 plus 16 equals 18. Keep counting. 2 plus 17 equals 19. Getting close. 2 plus 18 equals 20. Great job. 2 plus 19 equals 21. You're awesome. 2 plus 20 equals 22. You did it! You did such a fantastic job learning how to add with the number 2. Remember, when we add, the number gets bigger. Keep practicing your 2's, and soon you'll be an addition champ. See you next time.
Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.